My name is Brian Cunningham. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Many years ago, in the glorious 1980s, I was a student here at the University of Illinois where I got my bachelor's, master's, and PhD all in electrical and computer engineering. Later in my career, I worked in micro machining, making tiny sensors like gyroscopes and accelerometers. Around that time, both my parents developed cancer, and I was really impacted by that because of the bad journey that they went through in terms of you being diagnosed, trying to have treatment, and then eventually they passed away from it. And so I made a decision in my 30s to change the direction of my career, to try to use my engineering talents to have some impact on cancer. And so because of that, at the company I worked at, Draper Laboratory, I pivoted away from working on gyroscopes and accelerometers to finding biological applications for micromachining, and particularly using micromachine methods for making biosensors. As part of that, I took classes in biology at MIT, where they would let me go take a class across the street from where my lab was. Then I also went to business school during that time. So while I was in business school, I met two friends who were mainly financial people who were interested in starting a company together on the topic of biosensors for applications in pharmaceutical drug discovery in cancer. And so I quit my job at Draper Laboratory, started the company with my two friends. So it was really through that experience that I had the ability to hire people, raise financing, build products, manufacture them, provide them to customers, which were mainly universities and pharmaceutical companies that really had ability to lead engineering teams, make things people would actually use. So eventually we changed the focus of the company from selling biosensors to pharmaceutical companies to rather providing services to pharmaceutical companies to use our biosensor technology for screening through their libraries of drug candidates to provide them with data they would use in their drug discovery process. So eventually we sold the company to a pharmaceutical company, and then that led me to come back to Illinois as a professor in 2004. So since I've been here, I've continued working on biosensors and detection instruments, focusing a lot of our efforts towards new technologies that could be used in cancer diagnostics.